Hi, welcome back again. Just want to take this opportunity while it's not raining to show you the product that I bought very cheaply and ask the question, does caravanning have to be expensive? I'll show you 5 things over the next few weeks to prove that it doesn't have to be expensive and you can pick up things very reasonable as long as you're not proud. I ain't proud. If I can get a bargain, I'll get a bargain. So let me show you the first one, which is this, the Titan Bulldog Titan wheel lock. Very strong and sturdy, and I'll show you how to fit it right now. So here we go. This goes around your wheel, and then this fits on the front like so. As you can see, it's very heavy, very thick hardened steel. Can be a little bit fiddly to put on, but you know, once it's on, your caravan's going to be secure, especially on site, which is ideal for, or if you store your caravan at home. Especially if you're like me with an older van and hasn't got the receivers and for the pebble locks. This was a cheap option. I paid £25 for it off a Facebook selling page. So let's get on with fitting. Put the first arm behind the back of the wheel. Second arm around the other side. Push them together. So these two bits here are close to the wheel. This is the fiddly bit. This is the bit I always find difficult, getting this third arm right to the top, because of the gap between the wheel and the wheel arch. Can be a little bit fiddly. Right, with a little bit of tweaking, fiddling, managed to get it round the wheel arch. It is quite tight on these particular tyres, they're quite wide, so with a little bit of fiddling, and as you can see I'm out of breath, it's on. So this centre block here, this centre nut, tighten that so it's hand tight. Just so it's hand tight, as far as you can go. And then use the spanner that comes with it. Give it a few more turns. And there you go. That's on now. You get a key like that, line it up with the little hole inside. You need to push that onto the big nut on there. Turn it until it slots on, and then turn it through. And there you go. You're going to have to work hard with a grinder to get that off, especially with that being solid reinforced steel, and even to drill that lock out you're gonna need some time to get that off. So there you go, there's the Bulldog Titanium caravan wheel lock. Hope you found this video useful. See you next time. Ta-ra.